Hi guys, we're doing another video on what the best types are. Today we will be featuring our attack types, but there are some other types like attack, stamina, defense and balance, which are all the types. So today
we're going to do some time trials, are we?
Yeah, time trial.
So we're going to time trial which group are we time trialing in this video?
The attack.
The attack. So the idea is we're going to use which one of those spinners are we going to use? We're going to use the same one.
Launcher. I think we're going to use that one.
We'll use this.
But that
string
one
launcher.
for this one.
Are you sure you don't want to get
This one's
consistency? Like if we use the same launcher for all of them. Are we also going to time how long each one goes for?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a very exciting
But
video.
we're only going to use that one for this one because this one broke in our last episode of that one.
No problem. No problem. And what is this rather fantastic looking
So
box?
this is the box we got this bay from, and this bay's very good.
Yeah. What's it called?
Chosy Valkyrie.
Chosy Valkyrie.
It's an attack type, and
Surely
it
all
will
of
come with that launcher,
Yeah.
and it will always have like the bay. What the bay looks like on the front, and it should always have that if like you watch the animation and you see a bay.
So that's how we know it's official.
Yeah.
Official base. Are they
Then if
counterfeit
you
base?
turn it round,
Oh, crikey.
these show the parts. So you have the Chosy Valkyrie top,
Yeah.
its middle, and its tip. And
Very
it
nice.
will show like when you launch it really hard, these turbo blades will come out.
Brilliant.
And it is these two bays combined, and it is really strong. It can burst Crash Ragnarok.
Okay.
So
Right.
like, if
Let's
you
get into the
launch
time trial.
Crash Ragnarok, then the Achilles and Wonder Valkyrie, which is this one,
Yeah.
it will burst that. But then if you launch this, it's as powerful as both of those.
Brilliant.
And
Okay.
This is its chart thing.
Oh yeah, because you know you need a chart, right?
I can't read
Well,
Chinese.
we don't know what language it is, do we? I'm not even going to guess. But anyway, it looks like a good chart. You never go wrong with a chart. Well, it depends what the chart's showing. Anyway, let's get this first time trial underway. Right.
So first we will be using Wonder Valkyrie.
Wonder Valkyrie. Okay.
We've
I'll put
got
the clock over there.
the 4 Forge disc, and we've got the Destroy Driver.
Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's get it on. So we're going to time these three and see who's got the best time.
And this one.
And that one.
Don't forget this one.
I wouldn't forget that
They're
one.
smallest of them all.
All right, we're ready.
But then again, it's golden.
Wait till I We'll do a 3, 2, 1. I'll try to hit start at the same.
Three.
Wait, hold on. I've got to do 2 jobs there. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What are we thinking? I reckon it's going to be 40 seconds.
I reckon
Unencumbered.
a minute.
You reckon a whole minute, eh?
Yeah. Oh, and also
Excitement
there
building.
are some other types of base which aren't base because they can't burst.
Uh-huh.
They're metal fight.
Metal fight.
Yeah, and this one broke.
Well, it didn't fight very well. Oh, it's not even going to last 30 seconds. Oh,
come on.
I'm going to go for 30.
Yeah.
Can't believe I'm getting so excited about spinning tops. It's hit 30. It won't hit 35.
And 32.
32. Stop. Okay, well, it came as 34 then. All right, who's next up? So Valkyrie at 34.
This is Turbo Valkyrie.
Turbo
No,
beg your
that's Turbo
pardon.
Valkyrie.
Okay.
That's Turbo and Chosy.
Okay, let's go for the next one.
That's Turbo, that's Chosy then.
Right, who's next?
We're gonna be doing this one, which is Switch Strike, and this can go like that.
Oh, well, there you are.
But don't make it too hard because it will burst. Don't launch it too hard because it will do that. Then keep on going.
Okay, ready? Let's get this one queued. I wonder if I can need to reset it or will we remember these numbers? I'm going to try it like this. Okay, ready?
I remember 32. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Stop. I messed it up. Stop. Oh, no, I messed it up big time. You know what I should have done?
Just stop.
Stop it. Sorry, we're not going to restart the video. Let's just do that again. Ready? Okay, it's got to be 34. Because it's the time I press start and stop.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
So 34 is the
aim.
That's
Target.
a benchmark. That's not a target. We want it to beat 34. What do we reckon? Will this one go? Yes? No?
Let's
Yeah,
look
I hope-
underneath it.
Oh, are we losing momentum already?
Because if you have a code like this, you'll spin for long.
I think it's going to do it. It looks like it's got a bit. It's got about 10 more seconds. I reckon it's going to do it.
No.
It's not wobbling yet.
It is kind of wobbly. But then
There's speed hit. It's done 34. It's going to hit 40. Is it wobbly?
No.
It's still going. It is going strong.
It's like this one. It's exactly like this one, but to drive off it's strong.
Well, there you are. Do you reckon
There
we'll hit a
we
minute?
go,
No,
50.
stop.
So
51.
51's the target for this nice chap. Let's go around here
Right.
instead of spinning here.
I'm going to try to hit start and then lap, and hopefully we can record the times. Okay, so this one is in the lead. So that's in position 1. Do you want to put it at the top of the tree?
Even though it's the one with
Well, no, put it
burst
over
the
there.
most.
Yeah,
This is
but
the
we're
one
doing
which
time trials.
burst the most.
Okay, who's next?
This is Turbo
Okay.
Valkyrie.
Turbo
It's the same as
Valkyrie.
that one.
All right, I'm going to do
I called this
temp
one Turbo and I called that one Josie.
All right.
That one came in the box called Josie. This one came in the box called Turbo. 3, 2, 1, there. What do you think?
I reckon I figured out how to do the lap button. That's what I think. I mean, it might be a second. This one's wasting a lot of energy going around the stadium.
Yeah, and its turbo blades have activated.
I don't think this is going to last 20 seconds. It's up to 15, up to 17, and oh dear, 21 seconds.
And its turbo blades still work. So
Out,
this
bottom
is
of the tree.
losing.
And who's the last competitor?
This one's second oldest. This one's third. That one's the youngest, and this one's the oldest.
Oh right, and now this one has
That's
to
how I
beat 52.
think.
All right, what's this one called?
That
Cricket
one
head?
was turbo. This one's Josie. Because it
Cricket
says on
head?
the box Josie.
Josie, all right.
And I don't know if I want to use a different launcher because this one's easily gonna win.
No, just put on the same launcher. We've got to maintain consistency, otherwise it's not a same trial. Right.
3, 2, 1. Have it! That was the hardest.
Oh wow, this is satisfying sound effects. We haven't added these sound effects.
You should.
Do you reckon that is a good sound? But we can go
Let's-
around.
let's
It's
put
not going to
that
do it.
underneath.
It's not going to do it.
No, it's not wobbling. It's staying strong.
Yeah, it's not going to hit 30, I don't think.
Oh, you don't think? Oh, that's
It's on
bad.
25 now. It's only not going to hit 50, is it?
Certainly will. I think this will go like. I think this one will be.
33,
It'd
35.
be funny if like the youngest wins and the oldest loses.
It's not going to do it.
You don't think?
Oh, you-
40.
41. 42, I'll call it. So, in last position with 22 seconds. Then this one was 34 from
Wonderful
memory.
Truck.
41 seconds.
Josie Voltriok.
And the
And the
winner
one
at
which has just
52?
toppled down and bursted is
Was
Genesis
it first on
Voltriok.
that simple drop?
Yeah, it
Not
like
tough, is it?
it bursts so quickly. Literally, I'll show you how quick it bursts.
Go on in.
This one.
Oh, some satisfying sound effects again.
Watch
Oh,
it
we're getting a
burst.
bonus fight. Looks to be doing
Burst.
alright.
I told you.
Well,
I
it didn't
told
burst, it won, didn't it? Surely.
No, this one won and this one.
Oh, you were
burst.
referring to that one. Alright, anyway. So, thank you very much for this video. In the next one, we're going to do. What is this group all about?
We're not going to do balance
We're not.
or defense. We're going to do stamina, which
Stamina.
will be combined with defense because there were 4 in this one, 4 in the
Okay,
next one.
cool. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Please hit like and subscribe and
Wait,
get some chopsticks and poke the bell notification.
poke the like button and
Poke it. I
subscribe.
don't think chopsticks are going to work on a tablet.
Chopsticks will.
I don't think they're going to work even less on a computer. Anyway, thank you. Oh, you want to do one bonus one? Go on then. Do a bonus.
Go into it, Tom.
Why not? You can't get enough of spinning tops. I feel I should be timing it as the next level of excitement. Okay. Cool. Alright, thank you very much. After this carnage is over.
Been eliminated, and Bethany has won because this is doing it rather funny thing which is called spin stealing.
Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video where we are going to time trial these two.
No,
This
one's already been done.
We're going to time trial these two. These four.
These four, because there are four here. Needs to be fair.
Yeah, okay. Well, if you want to see about time trial, it should be the next video in the playlist if you go to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.